Advanced web application hacking. In today's digital age, web applications are at the core of our online experiences. These applications enable us to communicate, shop, manage our finances, and access a myriad of services with ease. However, with great convenience comes a growing need for security. Web application security is crucial in safeguarding sensitive data and ensuring the integrity of online services. This comprehensive course has been designed to empower you with advanced knowledge and practical skills to identify, exploit, and secure web applications against a wide array of vulnerabilities. Whether you are a security enthusiast, a developer looking to strengthen your application's defenses, or a professional seeking to enhance your cybersecurity skill set, this course is tailored to meet your needs. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand common and advanced web application vulnerabilities, learn to identify and exploit vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting, SQL injections, server-side request forgery, and many more. Master techniques for securing web applications and mitigating the risks associated with these vulnerabilities. Develop the skills to perform thorough web application security assessments and penetration tests. Acquire hands-on experience with real-world scenarios through practical labs and exercises. Prerequisites. This course is designed to be accessible to a wide range of individuals, but there are some recommended prerequisites to ensure a productive learning experience. A basic understanding of web technologies and HTTP, familiarity with general security concepts like OWASP Top 10 and Burp Suite, some experience with using the Linux command line. So there are two things that you need for this course, that is experience and expertise. But again, this is going to be covered in the Web Hacking Advanced course. But if you are confused and you still don't know what exactly web application testing is right now, you can check our web application hacking basics course, which is available on the website as well. So do make sure that you check it out.